Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the open shells stitch pattern. So to begin, you want to do multiples of 4 plus 2. And for this tutorial, I'm going to do a quick 16 chains plus 2 for a total of 18. And of course, we have our wild Yuki appearing to make sure that we're doing our job correctly. So now that we have our 18 chains, we're going to start by chaining 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, we're going to work our first 2 double crochets. So 1, 2, and they're going to be in the same exact stitch. We are going to chain 2, and in the next stitch we are going to work 2 double crochets. We are going to skip 2, 1, 2, and we were going to work 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Chain 2 and work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And this will be our repeat for the whole entire pattern. So it'll be skip 2, work 2 double crochets into the same stitch, chain 2, and work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Alright, let's do it again. We're going to skip 2, work 2 double crochets into the next stitch, chain 2, and work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And we repeat this all the way to the end of the row, so you would do this for all the way to the end of your work. And I forgot to mention, this is the beginning of the video, but for this tutorial you will just need to know how to do a double crochet. So here we are, we skip 2, do 2 double crochets, chain 2, and work 2 double crochets into the last stitch. And that completes row 1. You kind of see how it's turning just a bit. That's because I crocheted my work a little too tight for my chains down at the bottom. It's a habit that I have. So to start row 2, you want to chain 3, and we're going to be working inside the chain 2 space. So this starts making it really easy. So we'll do our 2 double crochets, chain 2, then work 2 double crochets in the same spot. And that's it for that row. So again, we skip everything. Make sure you go into the chain 2 space and not the space that connects the 2. So we're going to work 2 double crochets, chain 2, work 2 double crochets. Again, in the chain 2 space, we're going to work 2 double crochets, chain 2, and work 2 double crochets. And you just repeat this till your work ends up reaching the size that you want. You always want to make sure that for your repeat row, for your next row, that you always start with a chain 3, just to get you up to the level that you need. But other than that, all you need to do is 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets again in the same chain 2 space from the row before. Makes it really easy to find your work. And there you have it. That's how you do the open shell stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.